Hello students, today we are going to study Chapter 5 Acids, Bases and Salts. Let us discuss the learning objectives of this chapter. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to define acids and bases, classify substances into acids and bases, define indicators, describe the effects of indicators on different substances, list out the properties of acids and bases, discuss the neutralization reaction, recognize the applications of neutralization reactions in everyday life, and discuss the uses of acids, bases, and salts. Here are some pictures for you. They appear to be in a jumbled state. Can we group them into two categories? Okay, so now we have two groups. Group 1 has grapes, orange juice, amla and tamarind. Can we find what is similar about all of them? They all are sour in taste, and the substances that are sour in taste are grouped under the category of acids. On the other hand, you have soap, detergents and baking soda. What is similar about them? They all are soapy to touch and are bitter in taste, and we group them under the category of bases. Acids are substances that taste sour, bases are bitter in taste and soapy to touch, and the substances that are neither acidic nor basic are neutral substances. Here are some examples of acids to understand it better, like lemon, tomato, grapes, milk, ants, apples, vinegar. They are all different substances which have different kinds of acids present in them. We can also understand bases with the help of certain examples. We use many substances in our daily life, like the drain cleaners, the washing soda, glass cleaners. These are all substances which are basic in nature, and even the baking soda that we use in our kitchen is basic in nature. Let us discuss first acids in detail. Many food items such as vinegar and lemon juice taste sour. These things are sour because they contain acids. The term acid comes from a Latin term X-ray, which means sour. Different kinds of substances, as we just discussed, have different kinds of acids present in them. Let us discuss some of them. Lemon and oranges are a good source of citric acid. Milk and curd are rich in lactic acid. Acetic acid is found in vinegar. Grapes and tamarind contain tartaric acid. And gastric juice that is secreted in our stomach also has an acid, that is hydrochloric acid. Ant sting also contains an acid which causes irritation to the skin, and that acid is formic acid. Amla is a good source of ascorbic acid. Let us discuss the types of acids. Acids are grouped into two broad categories: organic acids and inorganic acids. The acids which are found naturally in plants and animals are called as organic acids. We just discussed some examples of organic acids. Lactic acid found in milk, acetic acid found in vinegar, citric acid found in citrus fruits. Inorganic acids are derived from mineral resources. They are artificially prepared and are also called as mineral acid. Some examples are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. Let us discuss the properties of acids. Acids are sour in taste. They are corrosive in nature. They have a tendency to corrode or damage any surface they come in contact with. If they are kept in metal containers, they corrode it. They react with the metal and damage the surface. Therefore, it is always advisable to store acids in glass bottles. It is also suggested that we should never handle acids with our hands without precautions because it can even damage our skin. They turn blue litmus red. Now, litmus is a substance which is available in the form of litmus paper and litmus solutions. Litmus when reacts with acid shows color change. Blue litmus changes to red when it is reacted with an acid. We'll discuss this topic again in detail when we talk of indicators in the same chapter. Acids are soluble in water. Acids mix with water and form a solution. Acids may be concentrated or dilute depending upon the ratio of water added to it. Heat is produced when strong acid is mixed in water. It is therefore necessary to always take precaution that we never add water to an acid. We should always add acid to water and that too in small amounts slowly. And stir the solution when we keep on adding it so that it is not harmful. Acids have pH less than 7 on a pH scale. What is a pH scale? pH scale is a scale which is used to find whether a substance is acidic or basic. It is a standard parameter and this we can do with the help of pH papers. This test is easy and very comfortable for us to find out whether the substance is acidic or basic in nature. If the value of pH goes below 7, the substance is acid. If the value of pH goes more than 7, the substance is a base. And if it is 7, then the substance is neither a base nor an acid. That means it is a neutral substance. This indication we get easily with the help of these colors. Let us discuss some uses of acids. Some important acids that we are going to discuss. First one is hydrochloric acid. This is used for removing rust from iron and steel, used in the production of various compounds. HCl is also present in gastric juice as we discussed earlier and helps in the digestion of food. Sulfuric acid, it is also called as king of chemicals because it is widely used in many areas. It is used in car and inverter batteries, used in the manufacture of fertilizers, used in the manufacture of dyes, detergents and explosives. Let us discuss some more acids and their uses. Acetic acid. We discussed acetic acid is used as vinegar in food preservation. And this vinegar is an important ingredient for the Chinese recipes you like. Acetic acid is also used in the production of ink for the textile printing, dyes, photographic chemicals, food preservatives, etc. Nitric acid is another important acid and is used in the production of fertilizers and explosives. It is also used in the manufacture of nylon and synthetic dyes. This is all about acids and their uses. Now we will study in detail about bases in the next session. Thank you and have a nice day.